When it comes to short-term rentals and vacation property management, efficiency and guest satisfaction define success. Every booking, message, and guest experience contributes to the reputation and profitability of a host or property manager. Yet, managing multiple listings across platforms like Airbnb, VRBO, and Booking.com can quickly become overwhelming. This is where Hostfully steps in, a platform designed to simplify, automate, and elevate how property managers run their operations. Hostfully was built to bring structure to the chaos of vacation rental management. It combines the power of automation, integration, and guest communication into one centralized system. At its core, it offers two main tools: the property management platform, PMP, and the digital guidebooks. Together, they handle everything from booking synchronization and automated messaging to guest experience and upselling opportunities. Whether you manage a single property or a large portfolio, Hostfully provides the flexibility to scale without losing control. What sets Hostfully apart is its ability to merge business management and guest engagement seamlessly. The platform not only helps hosts organize bookings and calendars, but also enhances the traveler's journey with personalized digital guidebooks that offer local insights and essential information. By combining technology with thoughtful design, Hostfully bridges the gap between operational efficiency and hospitality excellence. From the first moment you sign up, Hostfully guides you step by step through setting up your account, adding your properties, integrating booking channels, and automating communication. It's a platform that grows with your business, saving time while improving the quality of each guest interaction. More importantly, it empowers property managers to focus on strategy and guest satisfaction instead of repetitive administrative tasks. In this guide, you'll explore Hostfully in detail: how it works, its key features, pricing structure, and the process of getting started. You'll also learn how to set up your account, automate your workflows, and create digital guidebooks that leave lasting impressions on your guests. By the end, you'll understand how Hostfully can transform your property management process into a smooth, automated system that supports growth, professionalism, and an elevated guest experience. But before we go further, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Hostfully is a powerful platform built to simplify the lives of vacation rental hosts and property managers. It operates as an all-in-one solution that brings together property management and guest experience under one roof. The company offers two primary tools: the property management platform, PMP, and the digital guidebooks. These work hand in hand to help hosts automate tasks, manage operations efficiently, and give guests a seamless experience from booking to checkout. At the heart of Hostfully is its property management platform. This is where the real work of managing multiple rentals becomes easier. The dashboard provides a clear overview of key metrics such as revenue, occupancy, and channel performance. Every host can quickly see how their business is performing without juggling spreadsheets or multiple systems. The platform's channel manager connects directly to Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, and other popular sites, keeping calendars synchronized and eliminating double bookings. Beyond that, the platform also offers a lead and booking pipeline that organizes inquiries, deposits, and check-ins. A unified inbox pulls messages from all booking channels into one place, supported by an AI-powered assistant that can automatically draft responses using stored templates and property data. This level of automation cuts down on time spent on repetitive communication while ensuring that guests always receive timely and accurate responses. Automation is where Hostfully really shines. Hosts can create custom workflows that send specific messages or perform actions based on triggers, such as booking confirmation or a guest's arrival date. This means welcome messages, check-in details, and even review requests can be sent automatically. Meanwhile, the owner portal allows property owners to log in and view reports, balances, and expenses, promoting transparency between managers and property owners. Hostfully also offers an integrated direct booking website feature. This lets hosts accept bookings directly without relying solely on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. saving on commission fees and giving them greater control over their brand. The platform is also highly integrative, supporting over 100 third-party services, from pricing tools and cleaning management systems to smart home integrations and accounting software. This flexibility allows property managers to tailor their tech stack according to their specific needs. Another major component is the digital guidebook system. These guidebooks enhance the guest experience by giving travelers an organized, interactive digital manual for their stay. A host can include property instructions, check-in details, local recommendations, and even upsell additional services like airport transfers or late checkouts. The guidebooks can be personalized with custom branding, translated into multiple languages, and embedded with maps and images to make the experience more engaging. Hostfully's pricing is structured around flexibility and scalability. The digital guidebook has a free plan that includes basic features, while premium plans start at around $9.99 per month. The property management platform begins at roughly $129 per month for up to 4 listings, with higher tier plans offering more listings, advanced features, and dedicated support for larger portfolios. Each plan comes with onboarding support to ensure that users get started smoothly. Setting up Hostfully follows a clear sequence. Once you create an account, you're guided through onboarding sessions that help you import or add properties. Each property is customized with its name, address, description, amenities, and pricing details. Integrating existing listings from Airbnb or Booking.com ensures all calendars stay synchronized. Afterward, hosts can set up automated messaging, create workflows, configure financial reports, and invite property owners if needed. The final step is building guidebooks to share with guests and testing all automation before going live. The platform offers valuable tips and best practices for success. It encourages users to automate intelligently, but monitor workflows during the early phase to prevent errors. It also emphasizes the power of using guidebooks to reduce guest questions, leveraging upsells for extra revenue, and reviewing dashboard metrics regularly to track performance. Integrations play a major role, allowing users to automate cleaning schedules, adjust pricing dynamically, and manage smart locks remotely. The advantages of Hostfully are clear. It centralizes management, automates communication, and enhances both operational efficiency and guest satisfaction. However, new users should be prepared for a bit of a learning curve. The system is robust, which means mastering it takes time. As the number of properties increases, subscription costs also scale up. Additionally, since Hostfully relies on third-party integrations for many of its functions, disruptions from those services can occasionally affect operations. A typical day for a Hostfully user might look like this. A guest books through Airbnb. The system syncs the reservation, and an automated confirmation message goes out instantly. A few days before arrival, the guest receives another message with check-in details and a link to the property's digital guidebook. During the stay, any questions are handled through the unified inbox, and after checkout, the system automatically sends a thank you message and a review request. In the background, Hostfully compiles financial data, tracks revenue, and updates reports for property owners. Now let's talk about signing up and getting your account ready. To sign up, you first click the Get Started or Start Free Trial button, which takes you to a registration form. Here, you enter basic details such as your name, email address, business name, and the number of properties you manage. Hostfully uses this information to tailor your onboarding experience. Once you submit your information, you'll receive a verification email that confirms your account creation. After verifying, you gain access to your new dashboard. This is the command center for your operations. Upon your first login, Hostfully welcomes you with an onboarding tour. This built-in guide helps you navigate the dashboard and introduces you to the core features, like listings, calendar synchronization, and automations. You'll also be invited to schedule an onboarding session with the Hostfully support team. During this session, a specialist walks you through setup tasks, helping you connect your first property and understand how data flows through the system. This personal touch is especially useful for first-time property management software users. The next step is setting up your property listings. You begin by adding each property's basic information, name, location, description, photos, amenities, and house rules. This is also where you define pricing details, minimum stay requirements, and cancellation policies. Hostfully's interface is intuitive, so you can upload images and write descriptions directly from your dashboard. Once you've entered the property data, you can link your existing Airbnb, VRBO, or Booking.com accounts. The channel manager will sync your listings, import reservations, and keep your availability calendar unified across all platforms. With your properties in place, you move on to customizing your automation settings. Here, you create templates for guest communication, including booking confirmations, check-in instructions, and checkout reminders. You can also set up triggers that automatically send these messages based on specific events, such as when a guest books, arrives, or departs. Hostfully gives you flexibility to personalize these messages with variables that automatically insert the guest's name, stay dates, or property name. After automations, it's time to handle financial settings. If you manage properties for multiple owners, you'll configure payout structures and assign commissions or management fees. Hostfully's owner portal can then be activated, allowing each property owner to log in and view their reports and performance metrics. This transparency builds trust and streamlines communication between you and your clients. Next comes the calendar and channel setup. Hostfully's channel manager ensures that your calendars remain perfectly synchronized, preventing double bookings and missed opportunities. Once connected, the system automatically updates rates, availability, and reservation details in real time. At this point, you can also enable integration with pricing tools or cleaning management software to further automate your operations. If you plan to offer guests an enhanced experience, you can set up your digital guidebooks. These are accessible from the main dashboard. The guidebook builder allows you to add your property details, check-in instructions, Wi-Fi passwords, appliance guides, and local recommendations. You can even include upsell options like airport transfers or early check-ins to boost your revenue. Once the guidebook is ready, you can share it via a link that automatically goes out with booking confirmations. Before going live, Hostfully recommends doing a complete system check. This means testing a mock booking to see if messages send correctly, calendars update as expected, and the guidebook link appears in guest emails. You can also invite team members, such as cleaners or co-hosts, to join the platform with restricted access. Each member can have specific permissions to perform tasks like updating calendars or responding to guest messages. Once everything is set, you're officially ready to start managing your rentals through Hostfully. The platform centralizes all your bookings, guest communication, and operations in one place. From here, you can monitor real-time performance, track financials, and continually refine your automations for maximum efficiency. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I will be bringing you more insights on various productivity tools. This is a Minute with AI. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. Until next time, it's bye for now.